Sunday, everyone. It's Herndon, Virginia, Sunday. Myself, hey, the talented. She makes me say talented, but it's a given anyway. It's a given anyway. We're going to share with you what we taught. It is truthful. We're going to share with you what we do in our Sunday class here. This is something never taught before. It's a right side underarm pass as a beginning. So your basic movement is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Bring her by your right side, leaders. Her right hand, my left hand. 5 and 6 is bring it through. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. But then from there, it is something completely new. It turns into a slide with a pass with a slide. So we're going to do a sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and is 1, 2, 3, and. So I'm going to put my right arm underneath her left shoulder blade. You'll feel it when you see the other direction. My right knee is compressed into the ground, which makes her left foot mirror that. So going to go this direction. Just go 1, 2, 3, and. So I'm on my right foot. I got my arm underneath her left arm. I'm going to slide. I'm going to push her to her right, go into my left. And that creates the slide movement. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So 4 is actually slide as far as I want to go over. My right foot's going to come up and meet it to a 5 and 6, which makes her do just the opposite. Okay, so there's no triple on that. It's just a slide ending. So on the sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So I push her using my right hand. I'm also using my right hand to push her to her right. And that gives her upper body movement. Lower body is going to be pushed with the foot. So that ends you in close position on the sugar push, 3 and 4. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. I'm getting myself also ready on 3 and preparing to go off the track. So I'm actually moving off to my left and her right. You end up in close position. So on the end of that, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. You can do a tuck turn, whatever you want to do. All right, front to back. We've been doing slides lately, and this is a brand new one. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and slide. 6, walk to a triple, and out. So the slide is really cool. You want a nice, slow, smooth song to move her over that direction. But if you don't get the right arm underneath, on 1, 2, 3, and, if you don't get her ready, she may not feel this because you want to push with the slide. That's a key. All right, thank you. Hope you like it. First time ever taught it before. I like it, so I hope you use it next time you go dancing. As always, remember, click that subscribe button. It's a new video, free video, every time you see us. So until next time, thank you for watching, and as always, keep dancing.